In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Revolut is not supported on device with custom firmware error on your Revolut app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to use or run your Revolut mobile bank app on your phone and you're getting this error, then most likely check and see if you're using any VPN. If you have a VPN turned on, turn it off. And also if you have any security app that you recently installed, you will need also to turn off. Once you're done, try and open your app and this should work. However, if it does not work, also try turning off Wi-Fi data and use mobile data to see if this works. But in most cases, if this does not work, then you want to take further steps and try to troubleshoot your Revolut app. Go to your phone and look for Google Play Store if you're on Android smartphone, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store, and here we want to search for and I'll run the search. And as you can see, we have our app here. Check and see if you have any update. Update the app to the latest version. This in most cases should be able to fix your problem. However, if this does not fix your problem, then we want to troubleshoot the app, and you can troubleshoot this Revolut app by going to settings. And from settings, go down to apps and look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolute, and if you tap on it, now you'll be taken to Revolut app info page. From here, go to force stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache and okay, and again clear all data. This will log you out. Now restart your smartphone and go to your Revolut app. Now if you open it, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still face any challenge, then check it and see if you have developer mode installed on your phone. Turn it off to use this app due to security reasons. However, if this does not fix, then you may want to format your smartphone using the factory reset option to get the original version of your phone that can support Revolut mobile bank app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.